I bleached my hair and now I am about to dye it, and my parents are literally next room and the walls in my house are paper thin, so if I talk a lot they'll hear me and they don't know me. I've done this. I literally just ran to the bathroom like this. Okay, let's not waste any more time and let's just dye my hair. Welcome to my floor and my new hair. Wait, let me show you the entire thing. Oh my god, this is actually insane. I really can't believe this is me. Do you like it? I don't know. I'm kind of confused. I do like it, but I'm also like, does it suit me? I'm not really sure. It's very confusing because I've never had color on my hair before. So this is just so different for me, but I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. Okay, so I thought since we have a new hair color, I might as well do some makeup and then go to my terrace or somewhere else and then we can click pictures. So I'm gonna do my makeup, so this can be like a makeup tutorial for you guys. And I'm also gonna do like a skincare thing, which I don't do every day. I just do it when I'm applying makeup, and I rarely ever apply makeup. Anyway, so like, okay, I'm gonna use this first, a moisturizer by Pond's. I only got it because it's cheap. I don't like to spend money on these things. Oh my god, I'm completely exposing myself right here, but see, it's a gel. Listen, if there's gonna be any construction noise, I really can't help it, okay? I just can't. What do? The fan is also off. I'm sweating my ass off. The leftover I'm just gonna put everywhere. This is the sunscreen I'm gonna use. Yeah, this happened because Cookie literally tore it off the second it came through the mail. And by the time I went to it, half of it was gone. But at least we have this much. So I'm just gonna use that. Like, I'm gonna dip my finger like that. So that's my skincare done. Now, this is like a bag. I have all the products in. All this stuff I got like 3 years ago. I'm not even kidding. So most of it is expired. Yeah, but I feel like it still works. So I'll just wash it by the end of the day anyways. I mean, just don't come at me, okay? Giving you all my secrets. We're gonna use this concealer. I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna use this. So, see, I'm literally sweating. I saw somewhere on Instagram that if you do like this, then it just does something good. I'll even apply some concealer on my nose because people do it. So even I'm gonna do it. Is that too much? Let me just spread it everywhere. Next I'm gonna use this tint. I love this tint. I really like it. The only thing is you really have to do this fast, otherwise, see, like the product also stays on your hand because it's so strong. It can just leave like a very... I'll also apply some on my nose. and maybe also some on my lips. It's so hot. So I have this. I don't even know if this works properly. I just got it off Shein for like 200 rupees or something, but I still like it because I think it does something. I'm not sure, okay, if I'm even using it properly, but y'all can tell, so let me know. Look, I'm fucking sweating. I have this mascara. It gives a lot of volume. I love mascara. I just don't like the process of taking it off. It just gets very flaky, and then it even goes inside my eyelids for some reason. I don't know, I just don't. Man. Wait, let me do this off camera. It's difficult like this. Okay, I'm back. And that's how my mascara looks like. This mascara for my, what is this called? Eyebrows. Oh, by the way, since I went out yesterday to get my hair bleached, I also got my eyebrows done, which is why it looks kind of nice. It started raining. I don't even know if I'll be able to go to my terrace and get pictures clicked. Oh my god. But I'm still going to do this. Like, I've come so far. Let me just complete my makeup and then we'll see what we can do. Now I'm just gonna take this lipstick. I really like the color of this, which is why I use it. So I'll just take like a little bit, okay? And then and now it's the fun part. So this is a highlighter. The like the top portion of it, the lid is not even present because I lost it somewhere. I mean, I really don't care how much I'm using. I just keep on using it. I love it. Highlighter is my favorite part. Highlighter and blush, and also mascara. I think we're done. Dude, I'm sweating so bad. Just look at that. But let me take off my hair once and let's see. It's in a bad state right now because my hair is all sweaty. I feel like I'll sit under the fan for like 10 minutes and then maybe we can click pictures and I can change my outfit also. What should I wear? I feel like I should wear something black. Wait, let me just get a little bit dry and then I'll see you while I'm changing my outfit. So I just changed into this plain black top and I'm thinking of going to my living room and maybe I'll switch on the TV. I've seen a lot of people do that, like on the TV screen you have like a background playing and on top of in front of that you literally just stand there and click pictures and they look so cool. Or maybe when the rain stops I can go to my terrace and click some pictures. We'll see, but I'm kind of liking it. I'm liking the makeup with this hair also. Oh, and this top also. I think it looks really cute together. Let's just go to my living room.